Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11. In this video, we will continue exercise 9 section C with sum number 5. Let's read it. For a GP, A is 2, R is 3, then find the sum of first 4 terms. So A is 2, R is 3, that is greater than 1, N is 4. The value of R is more than 1, then we will use the formula Sn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So now we will put the values in the formula. So S4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. This will give you 2 multiplied by 81 minus 1 upon 2. Here 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 81 minus 1 is 80. So the sum of first 4 terms is 80. Let's solve next sum. Let's continue with sum number 6. Which term of GP 4, 12, 36 is 324? So here the geometric progression is given 4, 12, 36 up to dash dash dash. And so here first term is A, first term is 4, that will be A. So A is 4. If we want to take out common ratio, that can be 12 upon 4, that means second term upon first term. So R here is 3. Tn is given, that means 324. Tn is given, so we have to find n here. So we'll apply the formula of Tn. Tn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1. The value of Tn is given 324. A is 4, so is equals to 4 multiplied by 3 to the power n minus 1. So 324 divided by 4 is equals to 3 to the power n minus 1. This is 81 is equals to 3 to the power n minus 1. So multiplying 4 times 3, this will give you 81. So 3 to the power 4 is equals to 3 to the power n minus 1. So now powers will be in equals to 4 is equals to n minus 1. So n is 5 here. Let's solve the next sum. Let's continue with sum number 7. For a GP, A is 4 by 9, R is minus 3 by 2, find T3. So here A is 4 by 9, R is minus 3 by 2, and we need to find T3. So N is 3 here. So we'll apply the formula of Tn. Tn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1. So we'll multiply 4 by 9 and 3 by 2 to the power 3 minus 1. This will give you 4 by 9 minus 3 by 2 to the power 2. So this is 4 by 9 as it is. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. As minus into minus will be positive. So it is positive 9 by 4. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. 9 and 9 will be cancelled. And the value of T3 is 1. So the third term of GP is 1. Let's solve next sum. Let's continue with sum number 8. Let's read it. If common ratio of GP is 2, find the ratio of its 7th and 3rd term. Now we have to find common ratio 2 is given, but we have to find the common ratio of 7th term and 3rd term. So how the ratio is taken out? Second term upon first term, then third term upon second term, fourth term upon third term. This way the ratio is taken out, but here we have to take out 7th term and 3rd term ratio. So it can be written as T7 upon T3. R is 2, that is given, but we have to take out the ratio of 7th term and 3rd term, that can be written as T7 upon T3. Now we'll apply the formula Tn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1. So T7 upon T3 is equals to, as per the formula, T7 upon T3 is equals to A multiplied by the value of R is 2, 2 to the power 7 minus 1 upon A multiplied by 2 to the power 3 minus 1. A and A will be cancelled. What remains is 2 to the power 6 upon 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 will be cancelled, and what remains is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. So we have taken out the ratio of 7th term and 3rd term. So here in this video we have done 5, 6, 7, 8 sums. Go through the sums, revise it properly. Thank you.